Food and health.
Good health implies the state of being energetic and free from physical or mental diseases.
Everyone needs good health. One of the most important ways of staying healthy is to eat healthy and nutritious food. It is important to eat not just enough food, but also the right kind of food. To be healthy, you must eat healthy food, that is, balanced diet, keep your surroundings clean, plant trees all over the place where you live, drink clean water, exercise regularly, balanced diet. A diet that contains adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet differs from person to person. A young person doing manual work requires more energy than an old woman who generally stays at home. A person who sits in the office must consume less quantity of fats and carbohydrates. School-going
Diseases have a high energy and nutrient requirement.
A typical balanced diet for students must include the following: rice, chapatis, whole wheat, bread or maize in each meal, 3 servings of milk or equivalent amounts of curd, cheese and other milk products in a day,
Plenty of seasonal fruits and vegetables each day.
beans, peas, nuts, eggs or small amount of fish and meat each day, a little amount of fat, that is oil and butter, 6 to 8 glasses of fresh and clean drinking water in a day. Physical exercise. Physical exercise is any bodily activity that enhances or maintains physical fitness and overall health and wellness. Frequent and regular physical exercise boosts the immune system and helps prevent heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. It also helps the nervous system by supplying more oxygen to the brain. Playing outdoor games, running, swimming, and yoga are some forms of physical exercise. Rest and sleep. Besides exercising, relaxing, and getting enough rest also helps us stay healthy. Proper rest and sleep relax our muscles and provide the rest needed by our body. Getting enough quality sleep at the night time helps us function well throughout the day. A correct posture of sitting while reading a book can actually enhance your concentration, leading to an active mind. Besides, holding your book too close or too far strains your eyes. Hygiene. Maintaining cleanliness is very important to stay healthy. We should take bath every day and brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. We should comb our hair properly and trim our nails regularly. Prevention of illness and maintenance of health, mainly through the maintenance of cleanliness, is called hygiene. Components of food. Nutrients. Our body needs certain substances, namely carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins and minerals that are essential for our growth and development. These special substances are called nutrients. Energy-giving nutrients. Carbohydrates and fats give energy to our body. We use this energy to work. Therefore, they are called energy-giving nutrients. Rice, wheat, sweet potato, bread and bananas are rich sources of carbohydrates. Fats are greasy substances found in ghee, oil, cheese, butter and nuts. These give more energy than carbohydrates and also help us to keep our body warm. Fats are required by our body in very small quantities. Body-building nutrients. Proteins are called body-building nutrients as they help in growth. They also help in repairing the damaged cells and in healing small cuts and wounds. Milk, eggs, meat, curd, soya bean, fish and pulses are rich in proteins. Protective nutrients. Vitamins and minerals are the protective nutrients.
Vitamins keep our body fit and help it to resist diseases.
Vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K are some of the vitamins needed by our body. Fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs and fish are good sources of vitamins. Minerals help our body to grow well and develop properly. Iron, iodine and calcium are some of the minerals required by our body. Milk, green vegetables and fruits are rich sources of minerals. We need vitamins and minerals in small quantities. Water and roughage. Along with a nutritious diet, water and roughage also plays an essential role in our overall health. Water helps us get rid of wastes from our body and maintains body temperature. Roughage helps in the removal of undigested food from our body. Corn, cabbage, beans, whole grain foods, etc. are important sources of roughage. Diseases. Disease means impairment of health. In other words, it is the condition that does not allow the body to function properly. In a balanced diet, vitamins and minerals play an important role as these are the nutrients that keep us away from diseases. These nutrients are consumed and required in small quantities. In the absence of vitamins and minerals, we fall sick. The diseases caused by the deficiency of these nutrients are called deficiency diseases. Communicable diseases. The diseases that spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases, also known as infectious diseases. These diseases are caused by microorganisms or germs like bacteria, protozoa, and viruses. These germs spread through coughing, spitting, and sneezing. These germs enter the body through air, water, and food. Direct contact. Many diseases spread through direct contact with a sick person. When a healthy person comes in contact with an infected person, the healthy person may catch infection. These diseases are also caused by using the towel, handkerchief, or utensils of an infected person. Diseases like chickenpox, measles, common cold, mumps, and ringworm spread through direct contact. Air. When an infected person coughs, spits, or sneezes, the germs of the disease spread out in the air. When a healthy person breathes in this air, the germs enter the body and make them sick. Tuberculosis is spread in this way. Some other diseases which spread through air are common cold, diphtheria, viral fever or flu, whooping cough, etc. Food and water. Some diseases are caused due to infected food and water. Flies carrying germs contaminate the food. When a healthy person eats this food, they fall sick. Stale food, food cooked with unclean hands, or food not cooked properly is also the cause of disease. Diseases like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, polio, and jaundice are spread by infected food and unclean water. Fungal infection may also spread through food and water. Insect bites. Some diseases spread due to insect bites. These insects are the carriers of the germs and are called vectors. When these insects bite a sick person, they stuck in their infected blood. When these insects bite a healthy person, they transfer the germs to his body, making him ill. Diseases like malaria, dengue, chikungunya, and kala-azar are some of the diseases spread by insect bites. Animal bites. Some animals also carry germs of different diseases in their body. When they bite a healthy person, germs may get transferred into the person's body. Diseases like rabies spread through a dog bite, and plague spreads through a rat bite. Damaged skin. Our skin acts as a protective covering and prevents the entry of germs. When our skin gets damaged, germs can enter our body easily and cause diseases. Germs of tetanus, a dangerous disease, enter our body through cuts in the skin. Vaccination. Vaccination is an effective method of preventing certain fatal diseases. When a vaccine of a particular disease is given to a healthy person, he or she develops an ability to fight against the germs of the disease. This ability to fight against a disease is called immunity. Vaccination for a number of diseases is usually done between the age of 0 to 10 years. There are vaccines available for diseases like diphtheria, cholera, typhoid, tetanus, polio, mumps, meningitis, measles, and hepatitis. Some examples of vaccines are BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin; DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus; OPV, oral polio vaccine; DT, diphtheria and tetanus; MMR, measles, mumps, and rubella. Non-communicable diseases. The diseases which do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. These diseases can be caused due to the deficiency of a nutrient or due to overeating. Deficiency diseases. Diseases caused due to the deficiency of a particular nutrient in our body are called deficiency diseases. Vitamin A, night blindness; dry eye, loss of vision. Sources of nutrients: green leafy vegetables, papaya, mango, milk, egg yolk. Vitamin B complex, berry, loss of appetite, nervousness. Unpolished rice, meat, milk, green vegetables. Vitamin C, scurvy, frequent cold, swollen and bleeding gums. All citrus fruits like orange, lemon, amla. Vitamin D, rickets, weak and soft bones and teeth. Sunlight, milk. Vitamin E, early aging, dry skin, wrinkle, low bone density. Milk, egg.
Vitamin K,
Hemorrhage, delayed clotting of blood. Green leafy vegetables, fish liver oil, milk, eggs. Iron, anemia, weakness, loss of stamina. Apple, spinach, meat, banana, guava, dates. Calcium, weak bones and teeth. Frequent fractures, weak teeth. Milk and its products, egg. Iodine, goiter, swelling in the thyroid gland. Iodized salt. Proteins, kwashiorkor, swollen abdomen, thin legs. Egg, fish, meat, cereals, pulses, milk. Proteins, carbohydrates and fats. Marasmus, body with loose folds on skin. Rice, wheat, potatoes, maize, honey, ghee, milk. Diseases caused due to overnutrition. Some diseases are caused due to overeating. Obesity or fatness is an example of this type of disease. The disease further leads to high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart problem.